We'll guide you through how to find resume templates on Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Docs by typing docs.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll see a button labeled Template Gallery at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to open the full gallery of templates available. You'll be presented with a variety of template categories, but since we're focusing on resumes, you should scroll down until you find the Resumes section. Here you can browse through the different styles and formats of resume templates that Google Docs offers, such as Modern, Simple, or Serif. Click on the one that suits your needs to open it in a new document. Once the template is open, you can start customizing it with your own information. Click on the text areas to replace the placeholder text with your personal details, like your name, contact information, work experience, and education. Make sure to save your progress by clicking on File, then Save, or simply let Google Docs auto-save your work as you go. A helpful tip is to use the Format menu to adjust fonts and colors to better suit your personal style, making sure your resume stands out. When you're happy with your resume, you can download it as a PDF by clicking on File, then Download, and selecting PDF Document. This format is preferred by most employers and ensures your resume looks professional. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.